Yo, good morning. About to do the brakes on the Z. Floor is finna slide. It's about to be a good ass day, man. Bam. There we go. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, that shit actually just fucked up my wrist. Get my handy dandy breaker bar. Just gonna be doing some minor maintenance to the Z, fixing it up a little bit. Can y'all even see? God damn.
Give me all your money.
Oh, what kind of cookies are those? No, I didn't. Oh, you bought them. I thought you guys baked.
Oh, no, sorry.
Why'd y'all bake? Why'd y'all bake?
That's my girl didn't want.
Huh? He pre-ordered on Big Games.
On Epic Games?
Doing the dip, right? No, man. Is it up yet?
Yeah.
Is it up yet?
Yeah.
How about now? How about now? Now hold on, this one. I know this one's up. Right.
Yeah, okay. Or are you just gonna do it later?
No, I'm just gonna do it later. What's so funny?
Should be good.
What's so funny?
Nothing. Sorry.
You laughed at me?
No.
I just. Sorry.
I only know how to go straight. I don't know.
Yeah, they're good for another 7 years. It's for all the fat bitches I hold, so I need to make sure I'm grippy.
I didn't even notice this again the other day.
Let me get one more.
Yeah.
You gas. Damn. All right. Well, that's it. I mean, that was gonna be easier. Just take it off the tire and it'll just do it itself, but I guess not. This doesn't work. It's the other way.
There you go.
Jeez, Shaq, clip it. That one's good. Yeah, you call me.
Tiny ass break.
Man, it says you got a tiny ass. Now look at this shit. Actually, these ones don't look. Yeah. Jeez. Oh my god, he just fucked them up. Dude, damn.
What brand is the? Or is that just?
That's crazy, guys. Guys, smash that like button, subscribe. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Oh shit. Come in there, you dirty slut. And those are in, seated. Little side quest. Gotta fix that window. Sheesh. I ain't gotta do anything. This nigga doing everything. Nah, I can get a flathead though for it. Just be careful, don't break your shit. Jeez, we got that hole open. Don't know what we're doing though. This nigga wants to be in the vlog, so. Imagine.
Here we go, we're rolling there, good.
Chad, my cameraman is not black. I do not support that.
Neither is his girlfriend.
Ah, you fucked it up, guys.
Bro, I told you.
Shit, you just
Or
yanked
the
it in there. Fake ad Brembo, guys. I got this shit from Panda Buy. Let me just put this one in so it's easier.
Putting Brembos on the 350Z.
On the 350Z Part 7.
The tires fall off the 350Z while going on the Autobahn.
Temu.com/Brembo brakes, nigga. God damn. Oh, that shit was tighter before. Nigga trip. Okay. Just press the record button at the top. Hi, boys. First. I was gonna get some BC coilovers, cause these ones are like they have like the independent rear, which these ones only have like it still has this, but
Oh yeah.
the other ones are a little bit better, but I don't know yet. Can you hear me that breaker bar?
Me?
Or anyone? Y'all niggas just standing. No, jeez. These bitches is on there.
Because we're gonna go to the defect after.
Sheesh. Defect day, bitch ass. Sheesh. Damn. Wait, get in the thumbnail. Are you? Okay, there we go. Then that's how you use it. You put this in between there and then you max it out.
Hell yeah.
Damn. He ain't got no. GoPro's about to die though, damn. Can't even get the fancy. Boom. Boom, nigga. Jeez. Starts rolling. We don't need the fronts though. Not bad. Damn, this jack's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Cause normally I need another jack for the front. Like I need.
Oh, you use your own.
Yeah, that jack just to jack up the. No, you don't need it. Yeah, the jack's pretty good. Yeah. Think we'll hold? No bad. All right, get the fronts. Sheesh. There's the old Jones. And we got the new Jones. Shut up, nigga. What you got? Oh, you got it?
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit, then.
Sheesh.
Dang, look at his parking though.
Whoa.
Damn, bro. Sheesh. New radio.
My shit is dirty.
Sheesh. Gotta get it in though. No more racing though. Not better. Nah, that's fucked up. Sheesh. Thing's clean though. Got the brakes though. Better clean up. Got the Bremies. The Bremies cute. Finally can stop. Sheesh. This nigga. What you got? Oh, you got it installed though. Oh, did you get the belt?
Yeah, the belt's on.
Oh shit, so you just gotta do everything.
I just gotta fucking put it in the front.
Oh shit.
Put the front on.